Welcome back to Simply Money. Today's topic, 5 common debt traps, how to break free. These are your expert tips. Are you struggling to stay afloat in a sea of debt? You're not alone. We've all made financial mistakes, but today we're here to help you avoid some of the biggest ones. We're going to look at the 5 traps, the 5 most common traps of debt and how to break free from them. So let's get started. Trap number 1, paying only the minimum balance. It may seem convenient, but it's a sneaky trap. By paying just the minimum balance on your credit cards, you'll end up paying way more in interest in the long run. Always try to pay more than the minimum. Check out the video above on the snowball versus the avalanche method of debt payoff. We need to get you out of debt. That is our goal here on Simply Money, to help you become debt-free, live debt-free, and become financially free through that. So trap number 1, paying only the minimum balance. Let's get out of debt. Check out the videos. Trap number 2 is uncontrolled spending. That's why you have all these debts. Uncontrolled spending. It's easy to get carried away with online shopping, Amazon Prime days, or dining out, but impulse purchases can lead to a mountain of debt. You need to establish a budget and stick to it. Make sure you prioritize your needs before wants. Check out the link in the description below. We have an all things financial platform at Simply Money. We can help you get a budget. We can help you set financial goals. We have a free version and a premium version. Check out the free version. Peruse it. Check it out. See how it can help you control your spending, pay off your debt, and avoid these traps. We're here to help you achieve your financial goals and to achieve financial independence. And you need a budget in order to do that. Establish your budget and stick to it. Trap number 3, ignoring your debt. Ignoring your debt won't make it magically disappear. In fact, it only worsens the situation. Face your debt head on by creating a plan. Here at Simply Money, we can help you. If you're not sure how to get started with the platform below, if you're not sure how to set up a budget, if you don't know where to begin, or if you just have other questions, throw me a comment below. I'd be glad to reach out to you. On the platform, we have a community where you can dialogue and collaborate together and help each other reach your goals, and we're here to support you through that. You need to start listing your debts and creating a realistic repayment strategy today, not tomorrow. No more excuses. Come on. Today's your day to get out of debt, to start your journey to financial independence. Trap number 4, consolidating debt without a plan. I'm not a big fan of consolidating debt, but especially if you don't have a plan, because all it does is roll all of your debt into one consolidated debt, and then you start keeping the same habits, the overspending, the lack of budget, and you build up those other credit cards, those other loans. Again, now you have this one big consolidated debt and all these smaller debts. It should be a last resort, but definitely never do it if you don't have a plan. It can be a useful strategy, but it's essential to put a plan in place. Avoid falling into this trap by researching the terms and conditions of any consolidation loan. Make sure you can afford the payments and that it will benefit you in the long run. This is a tricky one. Be careful. That's trap number 4. These are all difficult. That's why they're called traps, because we can fall into them easily. Okay, I promised 5. Trap number 5, not seeking professional help. Many people are hesitant to seek professional help for their debt problems. However, experts can guide you through the process, negotiate with creditors, and help you develop a tailored plan to get back on track. Again, utilize the Simply Money platform in the community and reach out, leave comments. We can help you. We can give you advice. Others have been through things that I haven't, and they can offer you advice. As a community, we can help you achieve your goals together. And remember, breaking free from the debt traps won't happen overnight. Be patient. Stay committed to your plan. You have the power to take control of your finances. Thanks for watching. Those are the 5 debt traps that you need to avoid and set yourself on the journey to financial independence. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on Simply Money.